graph y plus 4 is equal to negative 1/2 times the quantity x minus 3. Well, this equation is in the form y minus y1 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x1, or point-slope form. We can rewrite y plus 4 as y minus negative 4 to make it fit the form more closely. This tells us that the slope is negative 1/2 and that the line passes through the point 3, negative 4. So I'll start by graphing the point 3, negative 4. And since we know the slope is negative 1/2, that means I can rise negative 1, or fall 1, and then go to the right 2. To get the point 5, negative 5. And to get a point behind me, I can rise 1 and go to the left 2. So from the original point, I will rise 1 and go to the left 2. To get the point 1, negative 3. That gives me 3 points that form our line. Finally, I'll connect these 3 points with a line using arrows on the ends to show that this pattern continues forever.